Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome back to our IT section. Standard 1st, Chapter 3rd, Keyboard. So students, tell me what we had learned in previous chapter. Yes, parts of a computer. First, monitor. Second, CPU. Third, mouse. Fourth, keyboard. Fifth, printer. And sixth, speakers. So students, we had seen many parts of the computer in the previous lesson. So today we are going to learn about one of them. That part is called keyboard. So students, see what is it? Yes, this is a keyboard. Students, what do you use to write in your book? Yes, right, pencil or a pen. Teacher used a chalk to write on the blackboard. But we cannot use a pen or a pencil for writing on a computer. We have to use the keyboard to write or enter the information. The keyboard is used for typing words and data, which can be seen on a monitor. The keyboard has different types of keys. A standard keyboard has 104 keys. The different types of keys are: first, alphabet keys; second, numeric keys; third, arrow keys; fourth, function keys; and fifth, special keys. First, alphabet keys. Alphabet keys are keys with the letters of the alphabet printed on the keyboard to help us type a word or sentence on the computer. On the monitor, one can type any letter from A to Z using the alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys. The alphabet keys are in QWERTY format for typing in good speed. As the letters start from Q, W, E, R, T, Y on the keyboard, it is known as the QWERTY format. When we press any of the alphabet keys on the keyboard, we can see that alphabet being typed on the monitor. Second, numeric keys. It means number keys. They are placed at the top of the alphabet keys and in right side of the keyboard. Number keys are 0 to 9, which are used to type numbers on the computer. We use them to type numbers on the screen. Numeric keypad can be used only when the num lock is on. When we type numbers from 0 to 9 on the keyboard, we can see those numbers on the monitor. Third, arrow keys. The arrow keys are used to move the cursor. There are 4 arrow keys: up, down, left, and right. The arrow keys control the movement of the cursor. We can move the cursor up, down, left, or right on the monitor with the help of the arrow keys. Arrow keys also have another name. They are called director keys. This key moves the cursor to the up. It moves the cursor up, down, left and right. Fourth, function keys. Function keys are 12 in number, from F1 to F12. Each key has specific use. These keys are used for the different functions in different programs. These keys are found at the top of the keyboard. Fifth, special keys. There are some special keys on keyboard. These are other main keys used for certain special functions. Now we will see some special keys and their uses. First, enter key. Second, backspace key. Third, spacebar key. Fourth, delete key. Fifth, CAPSLOCK key. Sixth, tab. 7, shift key. And 8, alt key. First key is a enter key. This is a enter key. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. This key is used to move cursor to the next line. It is also used to pass our commands to the computer. It is the most important key on the keyboard. Second, backspace key. This is a backspace key. Sometimes one makes a mistake while writing in one's notebook, for which an eraser is needed to erase the mistakes. If there is any mistake while typing on the computer, the backspace key works like an eraser that can be used to erase the letter to the left of the cursor. The spelling of the word name is wrong. Then bring the cursor before the letter E and using the left arrow key, press the backspace key and an letter is erased. They type the letter M and move the cursor after the letter E using the right arrow key. So now correct the spelling mistakes. Okay, now third is spacebar key. This is a spacebar key. This is the longest key on the keyboard and is used to create space in between letters, words, etc. Pressing the spacebar once will allow you a single space between 2 letters or words. Pressing it more than once will allow you a greater amount of space. After pressing spacebar once between each other. Next, after pressing spacebar thrice between each letter. Okay, now our fourth key is delete key. This is a delete key. The delete key is used to erase the letter, text on the right side of the cursor. This key is used to delete the selected text or objects and characters over the right side of the cursor. It is also used for the delete the icons, files and folders. Fifth is a caps lock key. This is a caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type words or text in capital letters. A caps lock key is a toggle key. Toggle means shift from uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. When the caps lock key is on, a green light will be seen on the keyboard. If this key is on, then any letter type appear in capitals on the screen. If you want to type again in small letters, then press the caps lock key again to turn it off. First, before pressing caps lock is, then after pressing caps lock. Sixth is a tab key. This is a tab key. The function of the tab key is used to move the cursor faster than the spacebar. It helps the cursor to move many spaces at a time. 7. Shift key. This is a shift key. The shift key has two functions. Shift key is used to type special symbols written on the upper side of the numbers, keys and some other keys. If you press the shift key along with any alphabet key, then that alphabet will appear in capital. Next, Alt key. This is a Alt key. Alt is a modifier key on both sides of the spacebar key. There are different types of keyboard. First, standard keyboard. Second, laptop keyboard. Third, wireless keyboard. Fourth, foldable keyboard. And fifth, ergonomic keyboard. So students, keyboard is most important part of computer. So students, everyone have understood the different types of keys. So tell me the different types of keys. Yes, first is the alphabet keys. Second, numbers keys. Third, arrow keys. Fourth, function keys. And fifth, special keys. Okay, so now tell me the names of special keys. Yes, first is a enter key. Second, backspace key. Third, spacebar key. Fourth, delete key. Fifth, caps lock key. Sixth, tab key. 7, shift key. And 8, alt key. So students, I hope everyone have understood the chapter keyboard. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.